Hey everyone, Nathan here with Hendrick Subaru South Point. Today we're going to talk about the hill holder function in your vehicles. It comes standard with all new Subarus. As you know, when you park on a hill, right, your car is going to roll back a little bit. In an automatic, less of an issue, just slight roll. In a manual, it'll roll back a lot further. So Subaru has designed and implemented a system where when the vehicle is at a steep incline and it detects that the front end is at a significantly different angle from the back end, it will apply an amount of brake pressure to keep your wheels locked in place. So that means that, you get in, parked on a hill, all that stuff, throw it in. You don't need to hold the brake down. The vehicle will hold the brakes itself for roughly 3 seconds so that you can focus on just, getting situated and driving off. Again, in an automatic, obviously not as big of a deal. In a manual, this is extremely helpful. It eliminates the need for trying to juggle 3 pedals at once or trying to use the parking brake to keep yourself in place so that way you don't have to worry about rolling backwards into anybody behind you. Cars, pedestrians, trash cans, whatever might be back there. So this is a very, very handy function. You can identify it. Is turned on when you're looking at your dash. There's going to be an icon for what looks like a car sitting on a ramp. That is the hill holder system being engaged. So that little icon right on the top with the car on the ramp. So the hill holder function is a really cool safety feature that Subaru has designed. Basically just to kind of eliminate one more distraction while you're driving. Give you one less thing that you have to worry about and focus on so you can pay more attention to what's happening around you. So, again, I'm Nathan from Hendrick Subaru South Point. Let us know if you have any questions about any other designs of your vehicle, anything else we can talk about for you, explain any systems, how they operate, anything like that. We'll be happy to answer any questions that we can. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.